and you see how I coat it with extra sauce. Hey Menace fam, in this video I'll be making homemade chicken breast sandwiches, crispy. I'm going to make 2 spicy ones, so I start by cleaning my chicken and cutting them in half. I made some strips for baby bugs, and then the rest will be in sandwiches. So I put it in an egg wash first. Then I coat it with the flour, and then I throw it in the fryer. In the flour, I also put some seasonings so that way it doesn't cook bland. As I cook the chicken, I have hubby slicing up a block of mozzarella cheese to add on top. You can add whatever cheese you want on your chicken sandwich. I like mozzarella because the way it melts in the cheese pool. Comment down below your cheese of choice. These 2 are going to be the ones I do the buffalo style chicken. So I'm going to get the buffalo sauce ready, but first let me pop the other ones in the oven for my kids. So these are for the kids. I'm going to pop them in the oven on 350 for like 5 to 10 minutes just so the cheese can melt on top. Hold on, baby. So I used the red hot buffalo wing sauce. I added in the egg bath. I don't know what to call it. I added in the eggs. So when I dipped the chicken breast to coat it with the eggs, it's gonna coat it with the buffalo sauce as well. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you. You're gonna want to make sure you get the buffalo sauce all over the chicken, the hot chicken sauce. I don't know, I'm gonna call it buffalo sauce. I'm gonna get the buffalo sauce all over the chicken, and I'm gonna let that one sit and do the same to the other chicken breast. When you see that they're nice and red, like a pinkish red color from the buffalo sauce, take a shot every time I say buffalo sauce. Anyways, I'm gonna let them sit, take out the ones from the oven, give them to my husband so he can prepare our children's chicken sandwiches for dinner. What the heck is a prepare? One of the spicy chicken buffalo breasts are done, so after I'm done cooking it in the fryer on the oil, I put it in the pan with more hot chicken buffalo sauce. And you're gonna want to make sure you coat it because my boys love spice. So here's the second one. One of the big ones for my husband, the smaller ones for my son. And you see how I coat it with extra sauce so it could soak into the breading as well. So it's on the chicken because I already dipped it with the egg wash and the buffalo sauce together. Fried it with the flour and the seasoning, and then I coated it with more sauce and then put cheese on top. Jump scare. Oops, sorry guys. So I was editing the video and I noticed I didn't save the footage where we was eating the chicken sandwiches, or it copied over it, like recorded over the footage. I don't know guys, I'm so sorry, but it was so good. It was a 10 out of 10. I tasted a little bit of the spicy, but I'm not really a spicy queen like that. My husband and my son love spice, so they said it was a 10 out of 10. but the regular ones were so good. So give it a try. And if you didn't like the video on the way in, make sure you like it on the way out. And if you're not part of the Madness fam, make sure you smash that subscribe button and become part of the Madness fam. Love you. Bye.